Everybody. Oh, I'm not going that. Oh man. Albert even was like, I'm gonna grab me like he definitely ain't let me go now. Damn, I'm about to run. I'm about to say, come on, let's go. You said let's fucking go, right?
It's not even funny.
Yeah, that's the biggest one, right?
Well, you see how they creep up on you?
Is you okay? That's too much. Oh,
That
shit.
should sound like it was right.
Mommy,
I'm like, yeah.
baby, nah, that shit was like so close. Fucking everybody, baby. Everybody was like,
That's just trying to scare people.
that was funny. Everybody was about to run. Trust me. Everybody was about to run.